All right, so I'm going to show you how to get into studio.code.org or code.org, however you prefer it. But you are actually already linked by joining our Google Classroom class. You have access to our little class that we're doing through Code Studio. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue with Google. You'll sign in with your school username and school password. You can click on it. You'll say allow, like, yep, that's okay. And then it should bring you to something called My Dashboard. In your dashboard, you're going to see, instead of seeing yours in classrooms, you're going to see it in My Courses. So what you can actually do is you can click on the one that says Express Course. That is what we're going to do. And then the first thing that we are actually going to get into today is just a warm-up activity. So we are going to see a little bit of background before we jump into it. Let me slow myself down. So on here, this is kind of similar to like a self-paced process. So it has all these different lessons, and then down at the bottom it tells you kind of what it's supposed to look like. So if it is not started, it's going to be empty. If it's working on, it's going to be empty, but it's going to be green. If it is completed, but you have too many blocks, or you might have some sort of like a bug issue, it's going to be kind of grayed out, but still green. And then completed, it will be a solid color. Okay. So up at the top, all that we're doing today is just a warm-up. So this little warm-up box here says lesson 1. That's the one we're going to go to. You can click into it, and it will take you to our dance party. So I've already watched the dance party video probably 3 or 4 times now, so I am not going to watch it with you. You can click the play button, watch it. It's only 3 minutes, and it gives you a really good understanding of why we're going to do this. Okay. When you're done, you'll hit the little X. And then up at the top, it has an instruction box. In this instruction box, you're going to have a little icon of some kind walking you through step by step how you are going to accomplish our dance party coding today. If you are somebody who is not a huge fan of reading or would rather have it read to you, you can click on this little box here.
Let's have a dance party.
And it will read
Drag
it
the
to
Make a
you,
New block
so you
into
can
the
hear it.
workspace and connect it.
You can also adjust the volume. So it'll say, in this one, it says drag the Make a New block into the workspace and then connect it to the setup blocks. So I'm going to drag it in, click connect. And then if I want extra challenges or extra information, I can click this little button down here. Do I want a hint? Yes or no? Say yes. Okay. So this level. Okay. So I'm reading. How do I pass this level? Make sure a dancer appears on the screen. This level ends after 4 measures. Okay. Sounds good. So then I can say less. All right. Going back up. And I'll try run. Let's just see if I got it. Okay. I got a dancing cat. That's what it says I should have. Good deal. All right. Now, look, you see it ran all the way through. It ran through 4 measures of music. For those of you who are not used to music, they run in measures. So I have a congratulations, completed puzzle 1. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit continue. And it'll move me on from section 1 to the next step, step 2. So you'll go ahead and do this all the way until you get to that little finish line. Again, another little video. Videos don't show up after every single time, I promise. So go ahead and watch the videos as you go, as they pop up, and then you'll go ahead and you'll follow the instructions for the next step. So it changes your song every time, but remember you have to hit that run button for it to move you on. All right, I'm excited to see our dance party as we finish. So go ahead and you can get to it.